Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to your new class. Well, आज मैं पेंटिंग कर रही थी, so I used so many paints, so many colors. और जब मैं पेंटिंग कर रही थी, I realized that two of them are my favorites. So let me show you my favorite colors among them. Well, this is the first one. Pink, one of my favorite colors. The second one is this, blue, my other favorite color. Well, I realized that pink, blue, these are my favorites. So how can I tell someone? मैं किसी को कैसे बताऊंगी जब मुझे कोई चीज़ पसंद है but they are more than one? Well, I can say my favorite colors are pink and blue. Pink and blue. My favorite colors are pink and blue. ठीक है, पेंट्स के बारे में तो बता दिया. Well, और क्या फेवरेट है? फ्रूट्स. Yes. वैसे तो मुझे सारे फ्रूट्स ही पसंद हैं और पसंद होने भी चाहिए. दे आर वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर आवर बॉडी, फॉर आवर हेल्थ. बट दो फ्रूट्स ऐसे हैं जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद हैं, विच आर माई फेवरेट वंस. सो वन ऑफ दैम इज़ एप्पल. आई लव इट. एंड द अदर वन इज़ अ मेलन. खाए होंगे आपने, ज़रूर खाए होंगे. सो my favorite fruits are apple and melon. Apple and melon. Well, अब तक इन दो चीज़ों में जो मैंने आपको बताया, one thing is obvious that I am telling you about my favorites which are more than one. एक से ज़ायद हैं, एक से ज़्यादा हैं. So when we have something to tell which is more in quantity, which is more than one, we use and. And. A and D and. उन दो चीज़ों को connect करने के लिए. Pink and blue, apple and melon, right and left, or pencil and erasers, बुक्स एंड कॉपीज़. सो इन सब चीज़ों को आपस में कनेक्ट करने के लिए, ये बताने के लिए कि इसके साथ ये भी है, इसके अलावा ये भी है, वी यूज़ एंड. एंड. नाउ टू एक्सरसाइज इट, वेल, you have to open your maze workbook pre-year 3 and open page number 15. Yes. So icons first. It is read. And the second one is color. Look, first icon and the second icon. Then we have the date section, so write the date there. Alright, so here we have to read and color. More than one actions, more than one things that we have to do. Then look, we have two strips. The first one is written with A and the second one is N. Well, आपको याद होगा ना कि ये आ और एन क्या है. We use A before the consonant words and we use N before the vowel words. Remember that? Well, you must. So, okay, let's read. तो पहले रो में जो हमारे पास चीज़ें हैं, they are a cup. A cup. Then we have an apple. An apple. And then we have a fish. A fish. Okay, this was the first column. Then in the second one, जो पहली स्ट्रिप हमारे पास है उसमें लिखा है and. अभी जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको बताया, and. Now look how it is used over here. The first sentence is a cup and a glass. A cup and a glass. Then an apple and an egg. An apple and an egg. And in the last, a fish and a frog. A fish and a frog. So I hope अब आपको थोड़ा क्लियर हो गया होगा कि and कहाँ किस तरह यूज़ करते हैं. So well, after reading you have to color this page. Now turn to page number 16. Okay, so here we have to read, write and color. More than one things. And there is the date section, so write the date there. Then look, a and an. A and an. अब आपको इस पेज को किस तरह सॉल्व करना है? Well, I'm going to help you with the first one and then you have to do the rest by yourself. So, there's a picture of an animal. What it is? It is goat. So, goat starts with G and G is a consonant. And what do we use before a word with consonant? We use a. Very nice. So write a in the blank before the word goat. A goat. A goat. Then look, there are two pictures. There is a goat and a hen. So, well, I just said it. Well, you have to write and in the blank. A goat and a hen. More than one. So, a goat and a hen. Likewise, you have to solve the other ones. There is picture of a hen and an egg. Well, I hope you got that hint. So, you have to write it by yourself और फिर आपको देखना है कि आ कहाँ लगेगा, एन कहाँ लगेगा और एंड कहाँ लगेगा. So after completing it, after writing and filling all the blanks, you have to color this page also and make sure कि coloring बहुत अच्छी होगी. It does not exceed from the outlines limit. And this was all for today. I hope you learned something new and you enjoyed today's class. We will meet inshallah in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, kids. Allah Hafiz.